How to delete widgets on iPhone. To get started, first of all locate the widget you want to remove from your home screen. Press and hold the widget until a menu appears. From the pop-up menu, select the Remove Widget option. A confirmation alert will show up. Tap Remove to permanently delete the widget from your screen. Similarly, you can do the same of all other widgets. To delete lock screen widgets, go ahead and open up the Settings application and go to Wallpaper. Tap Customize on your lock screen preview, then tap the widget area. Tap the minus icon next to each widget that you want to remove. The tapped widget will now disappear from the preview. Once finished, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily delete widgets on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.